So today, part 3 of 3. This final question, though, it's a personal one. So before deciding on buying a home, again, whether it is your first home or your 10th, you'll need to understand your motivation to buy a home and why this home ownership goal is an important goal for you. The financial benefits of owning a home are often easier to account for than many of the emotional ones. The 2021 National Home Ownership Market Survey shows that 6 of the 9 reasons Americans value home ownership are because of how it impacts them on a personal, aspirational level. It feels good. The survey says home ownership provides stability, safety, a sense of accomplishment, a life milestone, a stake in the community, personal pride. The National Housing and Financial Capability Survey from the NeighborWorks America also highlights the emotional benefits of homeownership, saying clearly there is a value to homeownership beyond the many great financial opportunities it provides. It gives homeowners a sense of pride, safety, security, and accomplishment, which impacts their lives and how they feel daily. Bottom line, no matter if this is your first home purchase or not, home ownership is life-changing. This move can positively impact you in so many ways. With any decision this big, it helps to have a trusted advisor by your side each step of the way. If you're ready to start down this path in this exciting journey, reach out to myself, my team. We would be honored to discuss your options and next steps today. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, share, and comment below, and I will see you in the next video.